Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So I've been on a hunt for the perfect everyday laptop backpack. Something that looks professional enough for the office, but doesn't break the bank or feel boring. After seeing this one all over my social media feeds, I finally decided to test it out myself. Today we're putting the BAGSMART Quilted Laptop Daypack under the microscope. Is it all style, or is there serious substance here? Let's find out. First up, the specs. This bag is designed for 13 to 15.6-inch laptops, and the dedicated padded sleeve is spot on for my 14-inch MacBook Pro. The exterior is a polyester fabric with that signature quilted pattern, and it measures roughly 11 by 17.5 by 6 inches, so it's compact but not tiny. Now, let's dive into the features that really stand out. The main compartment is deceptively spacious, with that laptop sleeve and a few open pockets for notebooks or tablet. But the front zippered compartment is the real organization hero. It's got specific slots for your phone, pens, and even a key fob hook. No more digging around at the bottom of a black hole. I also love the two side pockets. One is a standard water bottle holder, and the other is a clever vertical zipper pocket, perfect for a travel umbrella or a power bank. Comfort-wise, the padded, adjustable straps are a win for all-day wear. But it's not all perfect. Let's talk pros and cons. Starting with the pros, number one, the value. For around $40, the build quality is impressive. The zippers feel smooth and durable. 2, the organization is thoughtful without being over-engineered. And 3, the aesthetic. It genuinely looks more expensive than it is, and it comes in a ton of colors. On the con side, the first thing I noticed is that the back panel lacks any real padding or airflow. If you're carrying a heavy load or live in a hot climate, your back might get a bit sweaty. Secondly, while the quilted fabric looks great, I'm curious about how it will hold up against scuffs and abrasion over, say, 2 years of daily use. And finally, if you need to carry a ton of gear, like a massive laptop charger, lunch, a sweater, and multiple books, this bag can start to feel a bit tight and bulky on your back. So, what's the final verdict? The BAGSMART Quilted Daypack is a fantastic option if you want a stylish, well-organized bag for daily tech carry and light commuting. It's a solid 9 out of 10 for looks and smart design. However, if you need heavy-duty packing, serious back support, or you're looking for something ultra-breathable, you might want to consider something with more structured padding.
Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. So, would I buy it again? For my specific use case of carrying my laptop, a notebook, and my daily essentials, absolutely. It looks sharp, it's incredibly functional, and the price is just right. Let me know in the comments what you look for in a laptop bag. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.